Hello friends and welcome to your YouTube channel iTech World. In today's video, we are going to pass English language test of prestigious essay writing website writerslab.com in this live session. Try to watch this video carefully so you can pass your test after watching MCQs based English language test on this essay writing website of international standard. Let's get started. I have already pressed start button to take this test and you can say our timer has started working. Okay, countdown has started here. Okay, we have total 15 minutes time to attempt this test comprising 15 MCQs uh, well in time. Okay, so let's start taking this test. Come to very first question. Joseph William Turner was essentially self-taught but was also fervent and lifelong supporter of the Royal Academy. Okay, in the given four options, we have got the very first option here. Okay, self-taught. Let's move to the next question. I'm leaving this damned city. As for Howard, I do not care what happens to him. Okay, we have got the very first option appropriately correct. Okay, as for this would be the most suitable option for this question number two. Okay, let's move to the question number three. Do not forget to take your umbrella. It will be it will be snowing by the time you get to work. Okay, check out the rest of options as well. This one would be the most suitable and appropriate option for this sentence. Do not forget to take your umbrella. It will be snowing by the time you get to work. Okay, let's move to question number four. Choose a correct sentence. In the given four sentences, we have to choose the most suitable option, the sentence having no typo or grammatical mistakes. Okay, let's try to find out the best option here. If I had time, I would written this is wrong. Okay, you cannot make the use of past participle or third form just after would. Okay, this is wrong. Let's move to the next question. If you warm water, it will boil. This is the most appropriate and suitable option. This sentence is absolutely correct by all means. Okay, if you want water, it will boil. So option B would be the correct choice. Let's move to question number five. Read the paragraph and choose a sentence that describes it best. People have considered the possibility that the missing colonists could have assimilated into nearby Native American tribes since at least 1605. If this integration was successful, the assimilated colonists would gradually exhaust their European supplies, that is, ammunition, clothing, and discard European culture, that is, language, style of dress, agriculture, as Algonquin lifestyle became more convenient. Colonial era Europeans observed that many people removed from European society by Native Americans for substantial periods of time, even if captured or enslaved, were reluctant to return. The reverse was seldom true. Therefore, it is reasonable to postulate that if the colonists were assimilated, they or their descendants would not seek reintegration with subsequent English settlers. Okay, now let's try to find out the best option for this paragraph. Okay, the English colonists most certainly assimilated into Native American tribes, leaving their culture behind. This is not the suitable option. Let's move to the next one. The Native American culture is superior to English, as a little few Englishmen returned once assimilated. This one is not the suitable option either. Okay, let's move to the option number third. Option C. The English colonists assimilated with the Native Americans because their supplies of cloths, ammunition, etc. exhausted. This one is the most accurate and appropriate option. Okay, check it once again. Let's read out the fourth one as well. This is not the suitable. choice. So option C is the best choice here. Let's move to the question number 6. Her father speaks English very fluently. This is very easy. This is quite easy. Option B would be the most appropriate option. Let's move to question number 7. This picture, previously entitled Outskirts of Village, probably depicts a scene from the artist's hometown in France. Depicts, check it out quite carefully. Option C is the most appropriate option. Okay, let's move to question number 8. The volcano Vesuvius can be seen in the background of the picture. Background, let's try to find that out. Background, okay. Option A is the correct option for this sentence, okay. Background would be the most suitable option. Yes. Let's move to question number 9. Choose a correct sentence. I don't care to work tomorrow unless I feel better. I will buy this car if I will like it. These are wrong. Let's move to the third one. I'll tell when I hear from him. This sentence seems to somewhat better. Let me check again. The last one as well. I'm not usually attending such parties. Okay. Option C is a correct option. I will tell when I hear from him. This one would be the suitable choice. Let me check the time. We still got 8 minutes. Okay. 8 minutes remains to attempt this test. Okay. We still have got 8 minutes to attempt this test. Let's move to question number 10. Pick a correct sentence. Having chosen a path, one must not abandon it. This is incorrect sentence. After she told me about her feelings, it was easier for me to understand her. This sentence seems to be incorrect as well. Let's check the next two sentences. Asking for help, this can be hard for people who are not trustful. Although I do not like science fiction that much, the Expanse series is rather good. This one would be the most suitable choice. I hope she will to the party. I really want to see her. Option B is the correct option by all means. Check that out once again. This one would be the most suitable option. Okay. Let's move to question number 12. The sky is very dark. It looks like there is going to be a storm. Looks like. It looks okay. Option D would be the best choice for this sentence. Okay. Let's move to the next question. I hate being here. All the money in the world won't make me stay in this city. First one is the best choice here. Move to the second last question. Mark is late. Do not think he might have forgotten about the dinner. Option B is the best choice for this sentence. Let's move to the next uh, question number 15. That would be the last question. Okay. We had been driving. We had been driving when we decided to stop and rest. Had been driving would be the most suitable option for this sentence. Okay. Let's check out once again. Okay, first question has been done. Second, third, fourth one, fifth. Okay, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We have attempted all the MCQs well in time. We still have 5 minutes remaining to submit this test. Okay, you will pass this test quite easily. Okay, congratulations in advance. I'm going to submit this test. Okay, let's check the results. Here we go. Congratulations, you have successfully passed the English language test. The next step includes a short essay with writing. You will have only 10 minutes to write a short essay comprising 18 to 10 words on a general topic, please make sure that nothing will disturb you during this time. Okay, have you got this point? You have qualified for the first English language test. That is quite tricky, and most of the students get confused at this very initial stage. Actually, this is the most tricky and complicated stage. And congratulations, you have passed this test quite easily. Rest of all the stages are quite easy. Next, attempt. You will have to write a short essay containing 80 to 150 words, okay, on the given topic. Okay, and this is quite easy. And after this stage, you will have to uh, take another test that is called citation style test. That is also very, very important. As I told you earlier in the previous videos, that I have also provided citation styles answer keys in one of my previous video. Okay, try to watch that video as well. You will definitely pass this test quite easily. Okay, this is the quite complicated stage, but you have been provided with all the solved answer keys in my previous videos. Okay, try to watch that video just before attempting this section. Okay, that would be quite easy for you. And at the end, you will have to write a professional essay comprising 1500 words, and you will be given 7 days. Okay, that is quite easy. Hopefully, you will definitely create an account on this website of international standard. This is really a wonderful website to work with, and working on this website, you can earn at least $100 per month. Even an average level writer can earn 1,000 to $2,000 per month quite easily. Okay, and wish you all the best.